So you guys really want to know how I draw my eyes, and I have no problem at all showing you guys how I do it. I'm going to be doing more tutorials on here anyway, so this is my first real tutorial on here. Here is a tutorial of how I do my eyes in my style. Alright guys, so to get started, I have a ruler. We're going to be using this for some guidelines. Next, I have my stubs for some blending. I love using these. I have some regular pencils right here just in case. I'm mostly going to be using these three right here. My mechanical pencil, it is 7 millimeters. And then I have my 2 HB pencil, and then my H pencil for light sketching. For erasers, I have my rubber eraser. This is really good for like lightly sketching everything away, and then this is just for harder erasing. Those are the materials that we're gonna be needing for today. My camera, please focus. Okay. Oh, it's going crazy. Those are the materials that we're going to be using for today, so we're going to hop right into it. So first, we are going to be light sketching a line, a straight line. So make sure your line is straight. Whoop, like that. And then we're going to do 2/3. So what we're going to do, we did our line. So now we're going to do 2/3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Did 4 lines like that, right? So that's like this. One eye's gonna go here, one eye's gonna go there. Go straight down. Now I only do 2/3 because really 2/3, it's the same width as every like little space. Like this box right here is the same width as that one, and then the middle one is the same length as that. So it's like when we're doing our eye, one eye goes here and here. You want enough space so that it's not too close and it's not too wide, so that it's like the eye is right in the middle. Well, most likely I would just like to do like a small little line right here. Just a small line. Just so I don't do it too big and do it too wide for you guys. Usually when I'm sketching this, I don't do that. So what I like to do, I go down like that. And then like that. Stops right there. I will only go a little bit outwards because I like the little eyeliner part in my eyes. And then I do that. Goes under, over, then under, and then here it's over, like a little over, and then under, like that. And sometimes you can just make it a little bit fatter. And then the eyeliner part, like that. Shade this in real quick. We're gonna darken that up later. And then the same, I want to go in more with this eye, but I'm gonna do the other eye too. Eye is done. Now I'm gonna do the iris. And then the pupil. then the circle for the light refraction. I like doing that. And I guess now we can lightly erase the guides on this eye. And eyelids. And now right here, I like to add a little eyelash. Right there. And then right there, we're gonna color in the eyeliner a little bit more. Just gonna fill that in a little bit more. And then here too. I'm gonna do some shading right here just to block it in. You don't want to get too messy with it and smudge it too much. Okay, that looks good. And then we're gonna do the same thing with for the eyeshadow, or just the shading of the eye. Don't want to smudge it too much. There you go. For the eyes, I like to go back in with the pupils and then shade it underneath. That's just my preference. I feel like it adds a little bit more dimension to the eyes to do it that way. And then darkening the outsides of the iris a little bit more too. And then we're gonna lightly shade it in. The darkness. Not coloring in the eye reflection. Right? So I did all that. Now I'm gonna add like a little under eyelid. Pause for a quick second, get some water, get a drink, hydrate. Make sure you guys are good where you're at. Make sure you exercise your wrist, stand up for a little bit, take a break. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. All right, let's continue on. And then what I like to do is take my mechanical pencil and then do little flicks of eyelashes. That's just my favorite part. Right here. And then some up here. This area of the eyeliner we're gonna go back in and make it darker, so don't worry. See how wispy these are? These are so pretty when they're nice and not forced. See? Nice. We can add a little bit more here. We can go even deeper with the eyeliner. I want to go in a little bit darker, so I'm just taking this and just filling it in. You don't want to go too crazy with darkening it, because then it looks smudged and it looks like you've done a little too much, right? So that's what I like to do with one eye, then even coming in here and just filling in the shaded areas. So that looks like that, and I'm gonna take my eraser a little bit and just do that. Even right here in the middle, do some lighting up. There you go. Yes, ma'am. It looks good. For an eye, that looks really nice. And then I like to also take my white ink pen. If you have one, you can use it, but I like to take it, and then sometimes I just like to add little dots in here. Maybe a little heart right there, if you guys can see it. But yeah, that's what I like to do. Little sparkles. Okay. So these are the eyes. I just finished the other eye and I love them so much. They're so cute. I made the eyes look a little magical by putting little sparkles in them. I used a little pen, and yeah, I think this turned out really nice. And yeah, I feel that this needs like a little yes. So cute. Love this. Now for a more bubbly way of doing the eye, this is how I do. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it real quickly. So really, if I'm doing an eye forward, I just do an egg shape. Right? I do egg shape, and then I go downwards for the inner corner. Then I kind of bring it up, and then I do that. And then eyeliner. We'll flick it up this time. Then I do the same thing with the eyeliner. Then the eyes, just do a quick little iris. Eyelid. Right here. Little eye. Make into a heart. Fill it in. Shade it in as well here. And the fun part, the lashes. It's not a good idea to make the lashes go all the way down here, because they now look like heavy makeup. You want it to look light and fluttery and cute and effortless. Do that, and then maybe we can add like a little sparkle reflection thing right there. Take my stub, fill everything in. Alright guys, that is how I draw my eyes. This is my eye tutorial and I love drawing eyes this way. It is so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are not subscribed yet, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. But really guys, follow my social media. I am going to be updating all the time up on there. Sometimes I post more on there than I will here. I ain't even gonna lie. Make sure you guys check out my website. It is at GodessbyHeart.com. That's where you can see all of my prints that I am selling. There's going to be much more products on there, so make sure you put your email in the newsletter. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Don't forget to smile to spread the magic. Bye, guys. Mwah.